Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to balance a chemical equation. So we have here nitrogen and hydrogen on this side and ammonia, if you will, on the other side. Our equation is not balanced, so we have to balance it. The balance means you have to have the same number of elements on this side as the same number of elements on the other side. So these elements that you have on the left side is called reactants. So these are called reactants, and what you get on the other side is the result. So the result is called product or product. So you mix these things and you get something totally different. So we have nitrogen and hydrogen. When you mix nitrogen and hydrogen, you will get ammonia. But now our equation is not balanced. So we have to change the coefficients of these elements or molecules to change their number. So when you have, so right now we have, let me just change this. So when you basically start the first time, these coefficients or multipliers, they are 1. So basically it means 1 times 2. These are called subscripts. So 1 times 2 is 2. Therefore we have 2 nitrogens in the reactant side. Okay, let me show you another way so you can see it. So 2 nitrogens on the reactant sides. And how many nitrogens? So we don't have any nitrogen over here, but we have on the product side. So we have 1 times 1. Remember, if there is no number beside an element, it means it's a 1. Okay, so let me just write that down so you can see it. There is a 1 here. Okay, so we have a 1 here. So 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, you have 1 nitrogen. Okay, now this, as you can see, hydrogen, it shows that we have 3. So this 3 means there's 3 hydrogen because 1 times 3 is 3. Therefore, we have 3 hydrogens on the product side. On the reactant side, we have 2 because 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore, we have 2 hydrogens. So it's not balanced. As you can see, hydrogen and nitrogens are not balanced. Now we have to change these coefficients to make them equal. Now, as you can see, we have 2 nitrogen here and 1. So let's increase this by 2. Now this means that this whole thing, you multiply this, whatever you have here, their subscripts by 2. So we have 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore, we have 2 nitrogens. Okay. Now it's balanced. The nitrogen is balanced, but the hydrogen is still unbalanced. So we have to fix that because we increase the number of hydrogen. So when you put 2, this 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2 times this 3 gives you 6. Therefore, we have 6 hydrogens on the product side. But on the reactant side, we have 1 times 2, right? So 1 times, sorry, it's hard to write with so 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, we have 2 hydrogens on this side. Okay, now we want to change that. To do that, all you have to do is just change this number, this coefficient, to something else. So if you put 2, now 2 times 2 is 4. So you have 4 hydrogens, is still less than the product side. You increase it again, voila. Now we have 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, we have 6 hydrogen on the reactant side and 6 on the product side. So that's how you balance a chemical equation. You just keep changing the coefficients on both sides. Okay, sometimes this you can increase this. See, now they became 9, so you can change this. Okay, so as soon as you put a number, remember it changes both of them. So nitrogen, see if you can, if I increase it to 3, now the nitrogen is imbalanced as well, right? So the hydrogen is not balanced and the nitrogen. So remember that. The only way that you can get perfect with this is to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's how you get the hang of these kinds of problems, because remember, there you will face problems where there's more than two elements in the reactant side, okay, and more than two elements or more than two products in the product side, and it's going to be tough. The easiest way for you to get the hang of it is keep practicing. So don't forget that, and make sure you subscribe for more videos to my channel, and press the red button below this video, okay, on the left side, to subscribe, and you will be notified with more videos. Thanks for watching.